Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make Mom's Quick Buttermilk Cornbread. This is a super easy and delicious cornbread recipe. You can use it to make a regular pan of cornbread, or you can make cornbread muffins or skillet cornbread. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're making skillet bread, you'll want to preheat a 10-inch cast iron skillet in the oven while it preheats. Then it's time to make the batter, and all you need for that is a bowl and a whisk and maybe a rubber spatula. If you're using a 9x9 or 8x8 baking pan, you'll want to lightly grease it. And if you're making cornbread muffins, you can lightly grease that or line it with paper liners. You're going to whisk half a cup of melted butter with 2/3 of a cup of sugar. You want to whisk that for about 60 to 90 seconds. People often have strong feelings about whether or not sugar belongs in cornbread. I definitely have a sweet tooth, so I prefer the cowboy Western style cornbread with sugar. But if you prefer a Southern style cornbread without sugar, you can leave it out altogether or reduce it to as low as 2 tablespoons. Once the butter and sugar are smooth and creamy, you're going to whisk in 2 large eggs. After about 30 seconds, go ahead and whisk in half a teaspoon of baking soda, and then slowly pour in 1 cup of buttermilk, whisking while you pour that in. Then we're gonna add in 1 cup of yellow cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and half a teaspoon of salt. This is where you can switch to a rubber spatula if it's easier for you, or you can use a whisk to just combine this all together. Then transfer this to your prepared pan. This is, I think, a 9x9 pan. It might be 8x8. Or you can double this recipe and make a 9x13 pan. We're gonna bake this in the 375-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. For muffins, you wanna fill it about 2/3 of the way full. This makes 12 muffins. For the muffins, you'll wanna bake at 375 degrees, but this time for 18 to 20 minutes. For the skillet cornbread, it's a little different. You wanna pull that preheated skillet out of the hot oven, and you wanna grease it with a little bit of butter first. Then you place your cornbread batter directly into that hot buttered skillet, and this is gonna give you a much thicker, darker crust. Skillet cornbread is the same as a pan, so you'll bake it at 375 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Let your finished cornbread cool for at least 30 minutes before slicing. Don't worry, it'll still be warm after 30 minutes because I know nothing beats a slice of warm cornbread with a little bit of honey butter on top. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.